Good morning, class. In the last lecture, we are completed Unit 2. Now we are start Unit 3, that is the coordinate geometry. In that unit, we are study inclination of line and slope of straight line. Let's see inclination of line. The smallest non-negative angle theta is less than 0 and greater to equal to 180 made by line with positive direction of x-axis is called as inclination of line. This theta is less or equal to 0 and this theta is greater or equal to 0 and less than 180 डिग्री मीन्स वो 0 भी हो सकता है और 180 भी हो सकता है, या तो 0 से ज़्यादा रहेगा या तो 180 से कम रहेगा ये थीटा, and line will be positive direction of x-axis. This line is called as inclination of line, just like this and this. In this figure, this line L is a greater than 0 but less than 180, and in this and less than 90 also, and in this figure this angle is greater than 90. So now this angle is called as acute angle and this angle is called as obtuse angle. So this is acute and this is obtuse. We are here measure the angle from x to this line. So this is the clockwise, so always positive direction. So this angle is 0 to 90. Theta is greater than 0 and less than 90. So 90 is less than theta and theta is less than 180, means theta is greater than 90 and less than 180 in this figure. Now inclination of x axis is 0. ये inclination of x axis होगा तो वो angle is 0, means inclination of x axis मतलब x axis के ऊपर होगा वो line is 0, and inclination of y axis means this line is on y axis पे होगा तो वो 90 degree because of perpendicular, so this is 90 degree. On inclination parallel line, so always same. So now inclination line parallel होगी x से, so same value means 0 and parallel to y axis, so 90 degree, so same. So parallel होगी तो same, on x axis 0 and y axis 90. Slope of straight line. Now here slope of straight line. तो slope क्या होता है? Slope means this is a line. Slope means हम slope को उसको बोलते हैं झुकना, मीन्स बैंड होना, या हम कभी कभी बोलते हैं कि घर के रूफ को थोड़ा स्लोप दो, मीन्स घर का रूफ है, छत है, उसको जरा उसको स्लोप दो, मतलब पानी निकल जाएगा, मीन दैट इज अ स्लोप, मीन इन दिस वे, दिस ऑल्सो स्लोप. सो दिस इज द लाइन एंड दिस लाइन मेक अ स्लोप, और ये स्लोप कैसे मेजर करेंगे? बाय एंगल के यूज करके हम मेजर करेंगे. और एंगल को कैसे मेजर करेंगे? बाय यूजिंग tan थीटा. बाय यूजिंग tan थीटा हम एंगल को मेजर करेंगे, और दिस स्लोप बाय यूजिंग थीटा, मीन्स एंगल का हेल्प लेकर हम स्लोप फाइंड करेंगे और एंगल को हम tan थीटा से फाइंड करेंगे. ये x एक्सिस और ये y एक्सिस के ऊपर हमने ये लाइन ले ली, स्ट्रेट लाइन. तो ये कितनी स्लोप है, इसका कितना स्लोप है, ये फाइंड करने के लिए हमको ये कितना एंगल है वो फाइंड करना पड़ेगा, तभी हमको वो कितना स्लोप है लाइन का वो मालूम पड़ेगा. सुनो, slope of a straight line. Slope or a gradient of a line is defined as a tangent ratio of its inclination such that line is not parallel to y-axis. It is denoted by m. So straight line is line defined as a tangent ratio. It is the inclination such that line is not parallel to y-axis. Means straight line is not a parallel to y-axis. So ये y-axis को parallel नहीं रहेगा, तो उसका स्लोप नहीं आएगा, बिकॉज दे आर परपेंडिकुलर. और उसको हम m से डिनोट करेंगे. मीन्स स्लोप ऑफ m. m इज अ स्लोप. सो ये दिस इज अ लाइन. दिस लाइन का स्लोप हम मानेंगे n. दिस लाइन का स्लोप फाइंड करना मतलब m फाइंड करना. दिस इज लाइन एंड इसका स्लोप मतलब ये कितना झुका हुआ है, उसका कैसा फाइंड करेंगे. मीन्स m फाइंड करना है. स्लोप ऑफ m इज इक्वल टू tan थीटा बाय यूजिंग tan थीटा. मतलब हम उसका एंगल का यूज करके वो कितना झुका हुआ है वो फाइंड करना है. दिस लाइन का ये एंगल कितना है वो मालूम पड़ने के बाद ही वो कितना झुका है मतलब स्लोप है उसका वो फाइंड करना है. मीन्स स्लोप ऑफ m इज इक्वल टू tan थीटा. हम उसका tan थीटा का यूज करके उसको स्लोप फाइंड करेंगे. फॉर एग्जाम्पल थीटा इज इक्वल टू 30. मीन्स हियर L इज अ लाइन एंड थीटा इज इक्वल टू 30. सो ये कितना झुका है. मीन्स स्लोप ऑफ m इज इक्वल टू tan 30 इज इक्वल टू 1 by under root 3. Means we know that tan of 30 is 1 upon under root 3. So here make angle 130. So ये 1 by under root 3 झुका हुआ है. Means here slope, this line slope is 1 by under root 3. Now here theta is equal to 45. Now slope of m means उस line का slope is equal to tan 45 because of they make angle 45. So slope is 1. Now theta is equal to 135. Slope of m means that line is equal to tan of 35. This 35 also we can write 180 minus 45. Now using that formula, tan of 180 minus theta is equal to minus tan theta. Here theta is 45, so minus tan 45. We know that tan 45 is equal to 1, but here minus, so minus 1. The slope of line is a positive or negative depend on the inclination theta of the line. Is the acute or obtuse slope of x-axis is 0. Means any line is parallel to x-axis, उसकी एंगल 0 रहेगा. मीन्स दिस इज x-axis and this is y-axis parallel to x-axis, so this angle is 0. हम उसको मेजर ही नहीं कर सकते एंगल बिकॉज ऑफ दे आर पैरेलल टू x-axis. हम एंगल को कभी मेजर कर सकते हैं जब वो इंटरसेक्ट होगा, तभी हम उसका एंगल मेजर कर सकते हैं. पर इधर x-axis को पैरेलल है तो हम उसका मेजर ही नहीं कर सकते. जब वो इंटरसेक्ट हो सकती x-axis को तो हम उसको मेजर कर सकते हैं. बट इन दिस पैरेलल टू x-axis है, सो दैट इज नॉट पॉसिबल. So theta is equal to 0 and slope of x-axis is not defined. Theta is equal to 90, therefore tan theta is equal to not defined. Here x-axis and this is y-axis, so y-axis को parallel रहेगा, so this is a perpendicular. Then perpendicular means their angle is 90 degree, so tan 90 is equal to infinity. Infinity means not defined. So slope is on y-axis, so the y-axis is not defined because of tan 90 is equal to infinity means not defined. Now slope of a line passing through 2 points. अभी हम फाइंड करेंगे लाइन पासिंग थ्रू 2 पॉइंट्स ए एंड बी. अभी हम स्लोप फाइंड करना है. एक लाइन है उसका स्लोप फाइंड करना है, बट उस लाइन का हमें 2 पॉइंट दिया होगा, तो हम उसका स्लोप कैसे फाइंड करेंगे. मीन्स एक लाइन दी है और वो लाइन 2 पॉइंट में से जा रही है, उस लाइन का हमें स्लोप फाइंड करना है. मीन्स वो लाइन के हमें 2 पॉइंट दिए हुए हैं, तभी हम ये स्लोप फाइंड करेंगे. नाउ टू फाइंड line L passing through a point AB is a x1 y1 and B is a x2 y2. Show in figure this A and B. This is a line passing through A and B. AC and BC means A to C and B to C. We know that AC means greater minus small. We know that here is x2 and here is x1 because of here x1 and x2, here y1 and here y2. So x2 minus x1 means this x2 minus this x1 किया तो हमें ये मिलेगी. सेम हर y2 माइनस y1 मिला तो ये मिलेगी. तो AC is equal to x2 minus x1 and BC is equal to y2 minus y1 and measurement angle BAC. BAC, this angle. So slope of M is equal to tan theta. This is formula. Slope of M is equal to tan theta. We know that tan theta means opposite upon hypotenuse. So opposite is BC upon AC. BC is y2 minus y1 and AC is x2 minus x1. This is the difference of y coordinate divided by difference of x coordinate, means minus difference लेंगे y coordinate divided by x coordinate. Now slope of a line passing through 2 points ax1 y1 and bx2 y2 is slope of M is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. This is the formula for finding slope of the line. ये फॉर्मूला स्लोप फाइंड करने के लिए है जब लाइन के 2 पॉइंट दिए होंगे तब. 2 पॉइंट दिए होंगे तब. फर्स्ट, slope of x axis is 0. Slope of x axis is 0. Consider 2 point A is x0 and B is x2 0 on x axis. ये on x axis पे है, on x axis पे. So slope of x axis is 0 minus 0 divided by x2 minus x1. So 0 divided by any number gives 0. Now slope of y axis is does not defined. Consider any two number a and b, 0 y1 and 0 y2 on z axis means this y axis means this y axis. Then slope of y axis is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by 0 minus 0 is equal to infinity, because any number divided by 0 giving infinity means does not exist. वो नॉट डिफाइन है, वो डिफाइन ही नहीं होता है. 3 points ABC are collinear. Is the slope of AB is equal to slope of BC means 3 points are collinear means 1, 2 and 3 points are collinear. Collinear means तीनों पॉइंट एक ही लाइन में है, उसको हम कोलिनियर बोलते हैं. 3 points are in one line, so that line is called as collinear. So same slope of AB is equal to slope of AC. वो एक ही लाइन होगा तो स्लोप तीनों का स्लोप एक ही होगा. ये लाइन का स्लोप एक ही होगा. सो स्लोप ऑफ A to B and A to C have a same slope. So slope of AB is equal to slope of AC. Now slope of a general form of a line AX plus BY plus C is equal to 0. Now this is a line. Now here to find a slope of a line, इसमें अभी हमको ये इक्वेशन दिया है लाइन का, ये यूज करके स्लोप फाइंड करना है लाइन का. इन above one we using this formula for finding sum by using 2 points of a line. Now here this is the equation of a line and this इक्वेशन को यूज करके हम स्लोप फाइंड करेंगे बाय यूजिंग दिस फॉर्मूला. मीन्स स्लोप ऑफ m इज इक्वल टू माइनस कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ x डिवाइडेड बाय कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ y. हियर कोई माइनस कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ x डिवाइडेड बाय कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ y माइनस a बाय b। जब इस टाइप की लाइन दी होगी लाइन, तब ये फॉर्मूला यूज़ करना है। जब 2 पॉइंट दिए होंगे लाइन के, तब ऊपर वाला यूज़ करना है। फॉर एग्जाम्पल, स्लोप ऑफ लाइन दिस 2x plus 7y minus 5 is equal to 0. So minus coefficient of x divided by coefficient of y means minus 2 by 7. And second one, slope of line 2x minus 7y plus 4 is equal to 0 means minus coefficient of x divided by coefficient of y means minus 2 divided by here minus 7. So minus here minus minus get cancelled. So 2 divided by 7. Angle between two straight line theorem. If m1 and m2 are the slope of a two line such that m1 m2 means m1 multiplied by m2 not equal to minus 1, then measure of the angle between line is given by tan theta is equal to m1 minus m2 divided by 1 plus m1 m2. Here m1 and m2 are the slope of two line. दो लाइन है, उसका स्लोप है m1 and m2. फर्स्ट लाइन का m1 एंड सेकेंड लाइन m2 एंड देयर प्रोडक्ट इज नॉट इक्वल टू -1. उसका प्रोडक्ट -1 नहीं आता है. देन मेजर ऑफ द एंगल बिटवीन देम मीन्स उस दो लाइन का इंटरसेक्शन का एंगल हमको मेजर करना है. सो मेजर कैसे करेंगे? बाय यूजिंग दिस फॉर्मूला. दो लाइन का इंटरसेक्शन होते हैं, उसका एंगल कितना आता है वो एंगल फाइंड करने के लिए हमें ये फॉर्मूला यूज़ करके हम फाइंड करेंगे. m1 मीन्स फर्स्ट लाइन का स्लोप एंड m2 मीन्स सेकेंड लाइन का स्लोप यूज़ करके हम इन दोनों इंटरसेक्शन का एंगल हमको मिलेगा. सो नाउ टू प्रूव दिस फॉर्मूला, प्रूफ. कंसिडर टू इंटरसेक्टिंग लाइन L1 and L2 and at angle theta as shown in figure. This is line 1 and line 2. This is m1 and m2 means line 1 and m1 is the slope of line 1 and L2 here m2 is the slope of line 2 and make it angle theta. means हमको ये एंगल फाइंड करना है थीटा. Inclination of a line with slope m1 by theta 1 and inclination of line with slope m2 by theta 2 means line 1 make it angle theta 1 and line 2 make it angle theta 2. So we know that m is equal to tan theta. हम slope find करेंगे by using tan theta. So m1 is equal to tan theta 1 and m2 is equal to tan theta 2. Let the line with the slope m1 intersect the x-axis at A and line with slope m2 intersect the x-axis at B. Here line 1 intersect with A on x-axis and B also intersect line L2 intersect also x-axis at point B. Now and they intersect each other at point C and their both line are intersecting at point C and make it angle theta means measurement of ACB. Here ACB make it angle here theta. In triangle ABC exterior angle theorem, here theta is equal to theta 1 is equal to theta plus theta 2 means exterior form theorem theta 1 is equal to theta plus theta 2. Theta 1 is equal to theta plus theta 2. We also write theta is equal to this side going to minus, so theta is equal to theta 1 minus theta 2. Taking tan on both side because हम slope tan में फाइंड करते हैं एंगल में, इसलिए tan लेंगे. Tan theta is equal to tan theta 1 minus theta 2. Now using tan A minus B formula, A minus B, so tan A minus tan B divided by 1 tan A tan B 1 plus by using this, so tan theta 1 theta 2 plus theta 1 theta 2. So we know that value of tan theta 1 is here m1 and m2, so we are putting these values here. Now theta is a acute angle and tan theta is always positive. So always positive, then we take in a mod. So this is the formula for find the angle between two intersection lines. Now this is the tan theta is always positive, so we take here mod. Now we want, then हमको ये mod निकलना होगा तो प्लस माइनस tan थीटा लेंगे, बिकॉज ऑफ हमको ये इसका आंसर हमेशा पॉजिटिव में आता है, बिकॉज tan थीटा इज ऑलवेज पॉजिटिव. सो ये निगेटिव रहेगा, तो इस मॉड की वैल्यू हम जब ये सब सॉल्व करेंगे m1 माइनस m2 डिवाइडेड बाई 1 प्लस, सो 1/√2 या 1/12 आएगा आंसर इन मॉड. सो दे गेट ओनली पॉजिटिव आंसर 12 या 1/2 मीन्स मॉड जाएगा तब ओनली पॉजिटिव में आएगा. एंड अनदर, जब हमको मॉड के अंदर की वैल्यू फाइंड करनी होगी, मतलब m1 देन m2 फाइंड करना होगा, तब हम मॉड को निकालेंगे. मीन्स मॉड को निकालेंगे तो 1 माइनस tan ऑफ थीटा आएगा. जब ये सॉल्व करेंगे तो उसका आंसर ऑलवेज पॉजिटिव आएगा, बट इन मॉड में का वैल्यू कुछ फाइंड करना होगा, तो वो हमको मालूम नहीं है इसका वैल्यू कि वो प्लस है या माइनस है. सो हम मॉड निकालेंगे वक्त इज इक्वल टू के अपोजिट साइन प्लस और माइनस दे देंगे, बिकॉज ऑफ इस अंदर का वैल्यू हमको मालूम नहीं है वो प्लस है क्या माइनस है. बिकॉज जब इसको हम सॉल्व करेंगे तब हमको वैल्यू ऑलवेज पॉजिटिव ही आता है, बिकॉज tan इज ऑलवेज पॉजिटिव, tan थीटा इज ऑलवेज पॉजिटिव. Condition of parallel and perpendicular line. Now we first for parallel, condition for two line to be parallel. Here two line to be parallel to each other. So in this line two are parallel, so they are make an angle, they intersect with x axis, so their angle is equal because of they are parallel. So their angle is equal, so their slope are also equal. So two lines are parallel, their slope are equal, means m1 and m2 are equal, and conversely also is true. Obviously ना, एंगल जितना एंगल होगा सो स्लोप भी उतना ही होगा. सो दे आर पैरेलल, सो एंगल आर ऑल्सो सेम, सो स्लोप आर ऑल्सो सेम. इफ द टू लाइन्स आर पैरेलल देन एंगल थीटा between them is 0. मीन्स टू लाइन पैरेलल होंगे तो इंटरसेक्ट नहीं होंगे, दोनों कभी भी एक दूसरे के साथ इंटरसेक्ट नहीं होंगे. सो उन दोनों का एंगल नहीं मिलेगा, क्योंकि वो इंटरसेक्ट ही नहीं होते तो उन दोनों का एंगल नहीं मिलेगा. सो एंगल नहीं मिलेगा मीन्स एंगल इज 0. सो tan थीटा इज 0 मीन्स 0. सो हमको दो इंटरसेक्शन का फाइंड कैसे करते हैं, बाय यूजिंग दिस फॉर्मूला. सो tan थीटा इज 0 मीन्स tan थीटा 0 इज इक्वल टू 0. सो m1 माइनस m2 मीन्स लाइन 1 एंड लाइन 2. हियर लाइन 1 एंड लाइन 2 स्लोप लिया, डिवाइडेड बाय 1 प्लस m1 m2. नाउ मॉड निकाल दिया. सो हियर प्लस माइनस 0, बट 0 नॉट प्लस एंड नॉट माइनस, सो वी टेक 0 ओनली. Now this equation multiply by m1 divided by m1 minus m2. So now we are going 0 side, so they are that side multiply by 0. So any number multiply by 0 value is 0. So m1 is equal to m1 minus m2 is equal to 0. So m1 is equal to m2. So these two lines are parallel, so their slope are equals. Now condition for two line to be perpendicular. Now here two line are perpendicular to each other, so m1 m2 are equal to minus 1, means m1 multiplied by m2 are minus 1, because of they are perpendicular each other, so they are make an angle here 90 degree, because of perpendicular always make an angle 90. Now here line L1 is a slope m1 and line L2 is a slope m2. So now consider two lines L1 and L2 with the inclination theta 1 and theta 2 shown in figure. This line incline at theta 1 and this line incline at theta 2. So L1 perpendicular to L2, and so measurement of BAC make at 90 degree. So slope of L means slope of first line, M1 is equal to tan theta 1, and slope of L2 means M2 is equal to tan theta 2. So theta 1 and theta 2. In triangle ABC by exterior angle theorem, theta 1 is equal to theta plus theta 2, means theta 1 plus is equal to theta plus theta 2, means here theta is 90 degree, so 90 plus theta 2. Now taking tan on both sides, we know that because of we have to find tan theta by using slope. We want to find a slope by using angle tan theta. So tan theta on both sides. So tan theta 1 tan 90 plus theta 2. We know that tan 90 plus theta means minus cot theta. Here theta is theta 2, so minus cot theta. And we also know that tan is equal to 1 upon cot theta means cot is equal to 1 upon tan theta. So minus 1 upon cot 2 theta. Now here tan 2 theta divided by 1, so we going that side, so multiply by, so tan theta 1 multiply by tan theta 2 is equal to minus 1. So now we putting tan theta 1 and tan theta 2 value m1 and m2. So m1 and m2, m1 multiply by m2 is equal to minus 1. Two lines are perpendicular if m1 and m2 are m1 multiply by m2 is equal to minus 1, and conversely also true. If two lines are perpendicular, then the angle between them is 90 degree. Now cot is equal to cot 90, we know that cot of 90 is equal to 0. So cot is, we know that 1 upon tan theta. So 1 upon tan theta. Now here tan theta means tan theta is 1 upon m1 minus m2 divided by 1 plus m1 m2. So वो 1 upon है ना, so हम उसको उल्टा करेंगे 1 plus m1 m2 divided by m1 minus m2. Now mod निकाल देंगे means here plus minus 0, कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा 0. Now here m1 minus m2 डिवाइड कर रहा है, so इसे जाकर मल्टीप्लाई करेगा, 0 multiply by any number 0, so gives any 0. 1 plus m1 multiply by m2 is equal to 0. So now 1 is here plus, so going that side minus 1. So m1 dot m2 is equal to minus 1. When two lines are perpendicular, the product of their slopes are minus 1. Means two lines are perpendicular each other, so their multiplication of product of two slopes means slope 1 and slope 2, their product is always minus 1. And therefore if m is the slope of given line, then the slope of a line perpendicular to the given line is 1 minus by m. If m is the slope of a given line, वो given दिया होगा, m is the slope of a given line, then slope of a line perpendicular to given line means slope is perpendicular to the given line is 1 minus divided by m, means 1 divided by minus m. Now to find sums. Find the slope of a line whose inclination is 5 pi by 6. We know that value of pi is 180 degree. So 5 multiplied by 180 and divided by 6 means 150. Now given theta is equal to, this is a theta is equal to 5 pi by 6. Now how to find slope? Slope is equal to tan theta. We know that slope is equal to tan theta. So here theta is equal to 15. 150 means 150. This 150 we can also write 180 minus 30. We know that tan 180 minus theta is equal to minus tan theta. So here theta is 30. So minus tan 30 is minus 1 by under root 3. So slope of this inclination line is 5 pi by 6 is minus 1 upon under root 3. Now find the k is the slope of a line passing through 2 5 and k3 is 2. Means here 2 is the slope and these are 2 points, and line passing through 2 points and their slope is 2. अभी हमको लाइन दी हुए हैं, दो पॉइंट में से पास हो रही है और उसका स्लोप भी दिया है, तो उस एक पॉइंट का हमें पॉइंट निकालना है. So by using that formula means this one slope of AB is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So let point A and B x1 y1 x2 y2 is equal to 2 5 k3 and slope of M means this line is 2. Now slope of AB is equal to M is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Here M is equal to 2, 3 minus 5, y is 2, here y2 is 3 and y1 is k, y1 is 5, x2 is k and x1 is 2. So 3 minus 5 k minus 2, here k minus 2 are divided by this, so going multiply by 2. So 2 multiplied by k minus 2 is equal to minus 2 because of 3 minus 5 is minus 2. Now 2 multiplied by k and 2 multiplied by 4, 2 multiplied by 2 is 4. Now here 4 is minus 4 going this side, so plus 4. So 2k is equal to minus 2 plus 4. Now k is equal to 2 by 2 because of 2 multiplied by k divide. So k is equal to 2 by 2 is equal to 1. The value of k is plus 1. Now इधर हम 2 पॉइंट वाला फॉर्मूला यूज करेंगे. नाउ फाइंड द एंगल बिटवीन लाइन दीज एंड दीज. देयर आर 2 लाइन. अभी हम ax प्लस by प्लस c इज इक्वल टू 0 वो वाला फॉर्मूला यूज करके स्लोप फाइंड करेंगे. नाउ स्लोप फाइंड करेंगे, बाद में एंगल फाइंड करेंगे. बिकॉज ऑफ हियर फाइंड द एंगल बिटवीन देम मीन्स इंटरसेक्शन एंगल फाइंड करेंगे. मीन्स tan थीटा इज इक्वल टू मॉड ऑफ m1 माइनस m2 डिवाइडेड बाई 1 प्लस m1 m2. तो उसके लिए m1 m2 चाहिए. मीन्स m1 मीन्स स्लोप ऑफ लाइन 1 एंड स्लोप ऑफ लाइन 2. सो L1 इज y2 plus x is equal to 1 and L2 is x plus 3y is equal to 6. So equation number 1 and 2. Let m1 m2 be the slope of L1 L2 respectively, means this one m1 and this one m2 respectively. So slope of L1 is equal to m1 means minus coefficient of x and divided by coefficient of y. Here coefficient of x is 1 and coefficient of y is 2, so minus 1 by 2 and minus coefficient of x divided by coefficient of y for m2. Here coefficient of x is 1 and coefficient of y is 3, so minus 1 by 3. Now using finding angle, so theta be the acute angle between these two lines. So tan theta is equal to mod of m1 minus m2 divided by 1 plus m1 m2. Now putting the value of m1 and m2, so minus half minus 1 upon 3 plus 1 plus minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3, means here minus minus plus and minus multiply by minus also plus, so minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 1 by 6. Now here in this equation only multiply by 3 denominator and numerator, and here also multiply by 2 denominator and numerator, divided multiply by 2 here and here multiply by 3. So 1 multiplied by 3 is 3 and 1 multiplied by 2 is 2 and 3 multiplied by 2 is 6, here 6, so numerator is same, so we can write here 6, and in this one 6 multiplied by 1 plus 1, so here, and 6 get cancelled, so minus 3 plus 2 means minus 1 and 6 plus 1 is 7, here minus 1 by 7, but here mod, so minus sign is neglected because of mod, so giving always positive sign means 1 by 7. Now tan theta is equal to 1 by 7. Now we want to find the angle. Angle means theta, so theta is equal to tan inverse is equal to 1 by 5, means theta is equal to tan inverse 1 by 7. Now the angle between the line is theta is equal to tan inverse 1 by 7. find the equation of a line through 1 4. This is the point which make an angle 45 with the line this one. अभी हमको पॉइंट भी दिया है, एंगल दिया है और लाइन भी दी है. अभी हमको फाइंड करना है इक्वेशन, मीन्स अनदर लाइन का इक्वेशन फाइंड करना है. ये कैसे लाइन का इक्वेशन दिया है, वैसे फर्स्ट लाइन का हमें इक्वेशन फाइंड करना है. उसके लिए हमें फर्स्ट m1 फाइंड करना पड़ेगा, मीन्स स्लोप फाइंड करना पड़ेगा बाय यूजिंग एंगल एंड दिस पॉइंट. फर्स्ट हमको इसका स्लोप मिल जाएगा. सो अभी हमको फर्स्ट लाइन का इक्वेशन फाइंड करने के लिए अभी हम उसका m1 में स्लोप निकालना पड़ेगा, बाद में हम उसका इक्वेशन निकालेंगे. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. सो दीज आर अ लाइन 2x plus y minus 5 is equal to 1 and one line is intersect each other at point P 1 2 1 4 and make it angle 45. Now let m be a slope of required line and the slope of a given line is 2x plus y minus 5 is equal to 0 is m2. Means m1 we want to find, and here m2 is by using this formula we find the m2, means slope of a line, given line 2, that m2 is equal to minus coefficient of x divided by coefficient of y. So 2 divided by 1 means minus 2 by 1 means minus 2. m2 is equal to 2. We know that theta is the angle between them line. Now intersection angle दिया हुआ है, so by using intersection angle formula theta, tan theta is equal to m1 minus m2 1 plus m1 m2. So theta is 45, so we put the value of 45. Now we are putting value m2 और हमें अभी स्लोप m1 फाइंड करना है. So here m2 is minus 2, so now minus 2, here also minus 2, here minus minus plus, and here take minus, so 1 minus 2 m1 plus 2, and tan of 45 is value is 1. So now अभी हमको m फाइंड करना है, तो हमको m मालूम नहीं है वो प्लस है या माइनस है. सो मॉड निकाल लेंगे. तो m1 प्लस 2 डिवाइडेड बाय 1 माइनस 2m1 इज इक्वल टू प्लस माइनस 1, बिकॉज ऑफ हमने मॉड निकाल दिया प्लस माइनस 1. अभी हम वो प्लस है या माइनस है हमको मालूम नहीं, इसलिए m1 प्लस 2 डिवाइडेड बाय 1 माइनस 2m इज इक्वल टू 1 एंड m1 प्लस 2 डिवाइडेड बाय 1 minus 2m is equal to minus 1. So first we solve this, then this. So first we solving this one. Now here 2 divided, then goes that side, so multiply. m1 plus 2 is equal to 1 multiplied by this equation, so 1 multiplied by 1 and 1 multiplied by 2m, so giving this. Now here one mistake. Now here 2 plus 2 going this side, so minus 2, so m1 is equal to 1 minus 2 m1 minus 2, and here 2m1 is minus, so going this side, so plus. Here m1 plus 2m1 is equal to minus, because of 1 minus 2 is minus 1, and here minus 3 is plus, because of 1 plus 2 means 3m1 is equal to minus 1, and 3 here multiply going this side, so divided, so m1 is equal to minus 1 by 3. m1 की एक वैल्यू मिल गई, that is minus 1 by 3. Now we solving this one, so these are divide here going multiply, so minus 1 multiply by 1 minus 2, so minus 1 multiply by this and minus 1 multiply by this, so minus 1 and minus minus plus 2 m1. Now here 2 is plus going this side, so minus 1, and here plus 2m going this side, so minus 2m, and here plus 1 and minus 2, so minus m1, and here minus 2 and minus 1, so minus minus take addition, but we take a minus sign, so minus 3. Now here minus minus cut, so m1 is equal to plus 3. Now अभी हमको दो वैल्यू मिल गए हैं. स्लोप m1 is equal to minus 1 by 3 and m1 is equal to 3. Now for m1 is equal to minus 1 by 3 as the required line is passing through 1 4 and with angle with the slope of minus 1 by 3. Equation of a required line is the slope point form is the slope m1 is equal to x1 minus x minus x1 divided by x minus x2. ये इक्वेशन फाइंड करने के लिए अपना स्लोप फाइंड करने के लिए यूज़ करते हैं. इक्वेशन दिया होगा तो अभी हम इक्वेशन फाइंड करेंगे. अभी स्लोप हमको मिला है माइनस 1 by 3. Here x multiplied by this one, so m1 x minus x1 is equal to y minus y1. Now we putting the value of slope and x1 and y1 by using this. This is the x1 and y1. So x minus 1 and y minus 4. So now here 3 is divided, so goes that side, multiply. So here minus sign multiply by x and minus sign multiply by minus 1. So minus x plus 1 is equal to 3 y minus 4. So 1 minus x is equal to 3 multiply both, so 3y minus 12. Now here this whole term going that side, so minus 3y plus 12, then 1 plus 12 means 13. So minus x minus 3y plus 13 is equal to 0. Now multiply by minus sign, so minus x plus minus plus x plus 3y minus 13 is equal to 0. ये इक्वेशन मिल गया है. एंड फॉर m is equal to 3, now the required line is passing through 1 4 with slope m1 is equal to 3. Equation required line is slope form is y minus y1 is equal to m1 x minus x1. We given m1 is 3 and x1 and y1 is this one. So putting the value y minus 4 3 x minus 1, 3 multiply by this and this, 3x minus 3. Now this term going this side, so minus y plus 4 minus 3 plus 4 means minus plus 1 and 3x minus y plus 1 is equal to 0. So ये दूसरा इक्वेशन. Now there are two lines, x plus 3y minus 13 is equal to 0 and 3x minus y plus 1 is equal to 0. Satisfy the given condition. अभी हमने ये दो इक्वेशन फाइंड कर दी. Okay. Now second one, find the acute angle extended by the line segment joining the point these and these, minus 2 3 and 1 5. Means two line are joining at a origin. At origin पे join है दोनों line. Means this way, this one point is this and second point is this. So वो इंटरसेक्शन का एंगल हमें फाइंड करना है. मीन्स ये इंटरसेक्शन का एंगल हमको फाइंड करना है. नाउ पॉइंट ए एंड बी, x1 y1 x2 y2, we take here x1 y1 and b is a x1 dash and y1 dash, because here one point origin x2 and y2, because of this is the first line and this is the second line. So first point is 0 O and A and here second line में 0 means O and B. This is the 2 points. Origin is a common point. Now for line 1 here to find slope and here line 2 for finding slope 2. Now slope the line segment OA is a m1 and slope of OB is a m2. So slope of OA is a y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1 means 0 minus 3, 0 minus minus 2 means here minus minus plus, so minus 3 divided by 2, m1 is minus 3 divided by 2. Now slope of OB means m2 is equal to y2 minus y1 dash divided by x2 minus x1 dash is 0 minus 5 divided by 0 minus 1 is equal to minus 5 divided by minus 1, so minus minus plus 5. So m2 is equal to 5. Let थीटा भी द एक्यूट एंगल बिटवीन ओ ए एंड ओ बी, वो एक्यूट एंगल है ओ ए एंड ओ बी का. नाउ वी नो दैट फाइंड एंगल फाइंड करने के लिए कौन सा फॉर्मूला है, tan ऑफ थीटा इज इक्वल टू इन मॉड m1 माइनस m2 डिवाइडेड बाई 1 प्लस m1 m2. नाउ we put here the value m1 and m2 here, so minus 3 by 2 minus 5 plus minus 3 by 2 5. Now here 5 multiplied by 3 is 15. Now 2 multiplied by 5 is 10, so minus 3 minus 10 divided by 2, and here 2 multiplied by 1 plus 15, so 2 by 2 minus 15. So here now minus 3 minus 10, so take addition but take minus sign, so minus 13 by 2 and 2 minus 15 means 13, minus 13 divided by 2, so they both are cancelled. Mod of 1, so mod of 1 is 1, so tan theta is equal to 1. We know that tan 45 is equal to 1 means here theta is equal to 45. हमको इधर एंगल फाइंड करना है, so theta is equal to 45 because we know that tan 45 is equal to 1, so theta is equal to 45. Now we are stop here.